All right, Stampers, this is card number 4 with the Sweet Songbirds product spotlight. A little bit more labor intensive on this one. Very busy, very colorful, but it makes me pretty happy. So you have 2 pieces of DSP from that same 6x6 DSP pack, which is Butterfly Kisses, okay? And you'll have this butterfly pattern as one of your cards, and then you're going to have these little, could be either little footprints, or it could be little beaks, or little flowers. I think it's kind of cute. So we're going to do this one next. So I've done some of this work ahead of time. The base color for the layer is Starry Sky that we're using today. All right, so the DSP is going to get mounted. Oh, that's cute too. All right, and the DSP is 4 by 5 1/4, and the Starry Sky is just 1/8 of an inch larger than that. Okay. So you've got a piece of basic white cardstock, 1/4 of a sheet, and I went ahead and I stamped all the images I need. So you need the large and the small bird in any shade of blue if you don't have Starry Sky, but this is Starry Sky, black eyes, 2 little wings. The nest is done in soft suede, the branch is soft suede, the signs are soft suede. The leaves here are done in Parakeet Party and Daffodil Delight for the feet and for the beaks. Now you're going to have to fussy cut everything except the large bird and the 2 wings. Everything else is fussy cut. All right, so I'd suggest stamp it ahead of time and then just sit back, put your feet up, and start cutting. All right, but I've gone ahead and done quite a bit of that already. You've got a Parakeet Party scalloped circle, and it is the 2nd largest from the layering circles with the scallop. And that, I'm going to change this card up a little bit. So here's the original. You can see that. I'm just going to change it a little bit. Now this one has tons of dimension on it. All right, I know with the glare, I'm sorry, that's kind of hard to see in the shadow, but there's a lot of dimension on this card. So the first thing we're going to do is put down the scallop circle, and I'm gluing that directly kind of just below center. All right, as I said, I've got a lot of these pieces already done. I've got the branch, which I fussy cut and has dimensionals on the back of it, and that is going to go just about here, lower part of the circle. Then we've got the little bird is sitting in the nest with one of the 3-piece leaves and a little flower from an old punch. And I just kind of gave it some dimension by sticking a pen or anything. If you put the flower on a soft surface, any kind of foam surface, and push on the center, the leaves will pop up. And then I use my bone folder on the leaves themselves. Both of these things I have popped up on dimensionals. As I said, I was dimensional happy with this one. And the bird is attached to the nest also just by using dimensionals on the back. So he's going to sit here. All right. Then I've got the larger bird. He needs a wing. Little one needs a wing too. The wing is on a dimensional. The bird is on dimensionals. The feet, I fussy cut the feet and attach them as well by sticking the dimensionals on the back. And then they came off. Come on. We need his feet here. Okay, there we go. he's going to sit over here. All right, we've got another wing with another dimensional on it, and this goes for the littler bird. Okay. Then we have some extra leaves. As I said, I just take a bone folder, just kind of curl them a little bit. This one I'm going to glue down to the branch. And then I've got the 2. That was the 3. This is the 2. And glue him. Just kind of a little offset down there. And this is the tiny little flower. All right. So just by taking your foam mat and just push in the center, it'll pop up. All right. And that is going to go on here with just a little bit of glue. All right. And I have the bow. And I think, oops, the bow is going to go on with a glue dot. So just take your pick tool, just kind of roll that up into like a little jelly roll. And place that we've got the bow. And let's see, I've got a little bird told me you've got something to celebrate. All right, so these, as I said before, I stamped them in soft suede, but then I did white embossing on top for the words. All right, and that's gonna go, one is gonna go up at the top, and one is gonna go at the bottom. And that then gets mounted on a basic white card. And there's only an 1/8 of an inch border around. And there you go. There's card number 4. 2 different versions. Sorry. Okay, 2 different versions of that same card. Really kind of cute. Very happy. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm always available for you. And thanks again for participating in this month's Product Spotlight. Sweet Songbirds. Take care and have a great day. Happy stamping.